If you are running a Citizen L20V Swiss type mill-turn-lathe, or you want to understand how Mastercam post-processors work for sliding head machines, this video will help you see the full picture in a simple, real-world way, especially if you are using the Mitsubishi Cincom control. Swiss type machines are a different world compared to normal lathes. You've got guide bushings, multiple tools working together, synchronized channels, and a lot more motion happening at once. Because of that, the post-processor becomes one of the most important parts of your workflow. If the post is good, your G-code is clean, safe, and predictable. If the post isn't right, you end up chasing errors, fighting synchronization, and editing code by hand. Nobody wants that. So in this video, I'm showing a generic Mastercam mill-turn post-processor built for the Citizen L20V Swiss type platform. It supports turning, milling, live tools, axis substitution, and even 5-axis style moves where they are required, along with subprogram output, which is very common in Swiss machining. But this video is not only about one post-processor. In this walkthrough, I'm also showing you multiple post-processor folders, including other machine-specific posts, and a complete collection of Mastercam post-processors covering many versions, from the older releases, all the way up to the latest 2026 version. So if you are someone who works across different machines or software versions, this video will give you a good idea of what's available and how it all fits together. And most importantly, everything is explained in a clear, simple way, without overcomplicated technical jargon. This video is really meant for two kinds of people. First, people who already own or program a Citizen Swiss type machine, especially the L20V model. If that's you, you already know that stability and synchronization are everything. A reliable post helps keep your workflow organized, keeps the channels under control, and reduces the amount of manual editing before you send code to the machine. And second, people who simply want to learn more about CNC Swiss machining and Mastercam post-processors, even if you are still at the early stages. So if you are curious about how Mastercam communicates with the Mitsubishi Cincom control, this video will help you understand the connection. In the middle of the video, I also take some time to show the full Mastercam post-processor bundle, so you can see how the folders are structured, what's included, and how the versions progress over time. This includes releases from older Mastercam versions all the way up to Mastercam 2026, which makes life easier if you are supporting multiple systems or upgrading software. And if you'd like to try things yourself, you can download sample G-code and post-processor files using the links shown in the video. You can also scan the QR code that appears on screen that will take you directly to our contact details and download information. If you prefer to talk to someone, just contact us and we'll help you get set up. We also provide post-customization, software installation, and technical support, so whether you are new to Swiss type programming or you're already experienced but need assistance, you are not alone. You can reach out anytime. The goal here is really simple. I just want to make Swiss type CNC programming, and especially Mastercam post-processors for machines like the Citizen L20V, easier for people to understand. There is already enough complexity in CNC machining. There's enough stress when you are setting up jobs, managing tools, working with the guide bushing, syncing operations, and trying to keep production running smoothly. So if this video can help you feel more confident about how the post-processor works, and how the G-code is generated for the Mitsubishi Cincom control, then it has done its job. Because at the end of the day, what we really want is clean, organized, Mitsubishi Cincom style G-code output that you can actually trust on the machine. Code that makes sense, that doesn't require endless editing and guessing. When the post is right, everything else feels more controlled. Setups feel smoother, prove-outs feel safer, and production becomes more predictable. And yes, the post-processor shown here is a very premium quality post, built by a high-level professional post-development organization. This isn't a random experimental file or a basic generic export. It's a carefully designed, production-ready post meant for real Swiss-type machining environments, where reliability, structure, and clean synchronization truly matter. The whole purpose is to help you get clean, organized Mitsubishi Cincom style G-code output that you can actually trust on the machine. Because when the G-code is clean and logical, everything else becomes easier. Prove-outs feel safer, operators feel more confident, setup time drops, and production becomes far more predictable, which is exactly what you want when you are running a Citizen Swiss type machine. And this video isn't only for people who already have this machine. It's also here for anyone who simply wants to learn more about Swiss-type CNC machining, Mastercam, and post-processors in general. Maybe you are new to machining, maybe you are moving from standard lathes into Swiss-type production, or maybe you just want to understand what's happening between Mastercam and the Mitsubishi control. No matter where you are in your journey, I try to explain things calmly, clearly, and without unnecessary jargon, so it doesn't feel overwhelming. I genuinely believe the CNC community grows stronger when we share knowledge and real-world experience. And that's why I make videos like this. If even one person watches and says, "Now I finally understand what the post is actually doing," then this video has already been worth it. So, thank you very much for watching, and thanks for being part of the CNC community. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more real CNC content, and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. I genuinely try my best to reply whenever I can, whether it's about Mastercam programming, Swiss-type machining, Mitsubishi Cincom controls, or post-processors in general. I really enjoy helping people in the CNC community wherever possible, and if you ever need support beyond what's shown in this video, we also provide post-processors for many popular CNC machines and controls, along with Mastercam, SolidCam, and CAD/CAM software installation and setup help. So whether you are upgrading your software, setting up a new machine, or trying to fix an existing post, you can always reach out to us for guidance. So whether you are just starting out in CNC, or you've been machining professionally for many years, you are always welcome here, and I truly appreciate you watching. And as always, happy machining!